to tear down my Skydrone Plus quadricopter because we have a fault with the motor, as you'll see in a minute, and I'm going to show you how to repair it. I'll just flick to this next video, show you the problem, and away we go. Now I will show you how to fix the problem. Okay, so first of all, these screws, you want to take these out, and this will separate the top from the bottom. Just pointing them all out for you individually. I'm sorry about that going out of shot, but all these that I'm pointing out you must remove. Okay, now we're going to separate the top from the bottom. I think I might move the camera just to make it easier, but we'll do that in a minute. Now we'll just separate, just put your fingers in the seals and just push them apart, and then just pull it nice and gentle, and there you go, that's the top gone. Now, as you can see, we've got 4 motors. One of them is faulty, but before we do anything, I've just thought we must remove the battery. That's bad, but we'll just remove that now. That's the battery gone. Now we'll just pop the camera off, just press the little button and just slide it forward. And that's the camera gone. This is the faulty motor here, but all you have to do, it's a little bit stiff, but just grab it by the top, give it a wiggle, and then get your thumb and just push the shaft through, and it will come eventually. Just be a little bit patient, and we'll just give it another push and it should just pop straight out, and there we go, that's the motor out. Now what you've got to do next is, these 2 wires are soldered to the board. All you have to do is desolder them. I'll just bring a close-up of the solder points. Sorry about the focus, but we're getting there. We will get there in a minute. There. Now the white lead and the black lead, they're on 2 separate tabs, so all you have to do is just desolder them, and then the new leads that you've got, you just put them in there in the places. Pretty straightforward really. Okay, now I've just popped the new motor in, and I've just soldered the white and the black leads as I showed you before. See here, white and black. And this is the new motor. It's slightly taller than the other motors, as you'll see. If you have a careful look, it's 4mm taller than that one, which I thought were the same size. Okay, so I'm going to show you why the 4mm makes a difference. Now I'm just going to pop this top on and put it together. So I just squeeze all the parts together, making sure that no wires are trapped in the seams. And then in a minute, when I've squashed it all together, you'll see the problem. Let's just put these little wires in. Now everything's going back together nice and cushy until I get to the one that I've just done. And oh, I can't shut that bit, but I've always got an escape plan. So here's the escape plan. Because this motor is 4mm too tall, we need to lose 4mm somewhere. So let me just focus in on this and you will see there's a little lug inside. I'll just point it out to you. Just bear with me, let me try and get this in focus a bit better for you. See this lug here? It's exactly 4mm. Because we've got lugs in all of them, but this one I've removed. So the motor will fit in there nice and snug. And that's my escape plan. So we'll just pop it all together again with the little lug missing. Like I said before, just nice and gently, making sure that there's no wires trapped in the seams. And we'll just push it all together. We'll just pop that one in, spot it there. So that's it all squeezed together. And everything is all squeezed together tightly. And as you can see, it's all gone back together. Nice and firm. Right, now all we have to do now is just pop all the screws back that I've already separated and put in little packages so I know what goes where. Now what I did was, because they're slightly different in lengths, the screws, is this one is the screws for the body, as I've written on there, body. So I know that's all the screws that are needed to hold the body together. So that's the body done. Next, you can't read this very well, but that's for the motor covers, because they're a different length of screw altogether. And this one, it's not marked, but I know what that one's for. That's for the rotors. And once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, then you'll be kept up to date with all my latest videos. Bye for now.